Hello everyone, so welcome back. It's me again, Mr. Fananimous. So for today's video, we're going to review the gadget right here, my friends. Yes, so this is another Xiaomi gadget review because yeah, we love Xiaomi, right? So this gadget is called the Xiaomi SWDK UV vacuum. So I already have a vacuum also from Xiaomi, but the reason why I still got this one is because this gadget has a UV light that is dedicated to sterilize or disinfect your bed, your couch, your pillow, etc. So I think I kind of need that. So this is fresh from the store. I think this just arrived here in Manila. So I got this for 3,499 pesos. I'm really excited to meet my new baby. Let's unbox this together. With no further ado, let's do this! Hey guys! So welcome to my bedroom. So after the unboxing, we're now going to try the product. So my sheets are actually 1 week old. Yeah, 1 week old. So we normally change sheets, diba? Every 3 to 4 weeks. But the actual bed, actually dun ako excited because as far as I can remember, I haven't cleaned that since I purchased it. I just kept on changing sheets and I don't know if there's any person like cleaning the actual bed. But I think this would be very helpful. I really want to sanitize and disinfect my actual bed. Remove all the, the particles that is not visible to our naked eye. Yung mga loose cotton from our clothes, from our sheets, yung mga loose foam. So I really want to remove all those. Though I am not very allergic to dust, but if there's any way to remove it, then why not, right? So let's do it! Alright guys, so general conclusion on the Xiaomi SWDK UV vacuum. I really think this is a very nice product. this gave me the opportunity to clean the actual bed. Right? So, of course, the sheets, you change it as often as you want, but the actual bed, diba? It's really difficult to clean it, and this gave me like the opportunity to actually disinfect it, remove all the dust, the loose particles there, loose foam, right? And just less than a minute of using it, I can already see the dust I generated. So yeah, making this portion of the vacuum colorless or transparent is really fulfilling. I really think that's a nice design. If you do some research on this vacuum, I think there are two types because I've seen a lot of the portable ones, meaning the wireless ones. So what I got is the wired one, and this is the only available product in Manila or here in the Philippines. So I just got this, but if there's any portable one, probably I'll get that instead. But it didn't give me a lot of trouble because this is really a long wire. So another interesting feature is that I think I noticed that when you're using this item, it's like hanging like that. When you press the on button, the UV light will not activate versus using it if it's attached on a surface that you want to clean up, and that's the only time the UV light will activate and disinfect whatever you're cleaning. So I think that's a really nice feature. Again, I think this is also very good for home with babies kasi you can, of course, babies are very sensitive, and we would like to disinfect their bed, right? The couch, so that it will not irritate their skin or will not develop allergies. If you have any dust allergies, I think this is going to be very helpful as well. Yeah, but me, I don't have any allergies, but again, if there's any way to actually remove any dust in your place, then why not? So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. So if you're planning to buy this, so go ahead and buy it. It's very cheap. It's already available here in Manila. So that's the end of my video. So I hope you learned something today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!